So, hey everyone, obviously it's just me. Put my pajamas back on, we ran an errand. And then I came home and got my comfy clothes and made dinner. We just had breakfast for dinner because you can have breakfast whenever. But the sky still is not the right color. I'll tell you that. It's not the right color for any supposed blizzard. Now, the new governor of New Jersey has frozen. That's perfect timing with her crap, right? Just crap, because I didn't vote for that bitch. She ain't even from New Jersey. So, everybody's power bills will be $500. This is bullshit. $500. And you know what a massive percentage of that is? Delivery. Just a delivery fee. So anyway, let me show you something. If my phone, and you can get this on the TikTok shop as well. You have an outlet right here on it, USB and C, so that when this is on, or if it's not on, let me show you the lights. Got one light here. Well, this one doesn't work too good for some stupid reason. There we go. So that's a bright one. Then it's here. So it's on the two outer parts. Then we, on this side, is the yellow one. And then that's the middle light. This, my friends, charges with solar. You can find this on the TikTok shop. I don't know the price on it yet, but whatever. It's a great way to be able to have a flashlight in case the power goes out. So anyway, think about that and I'll give you more updates. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. And like I said, I'll just let you know, and I am keeping my camera at this angle just for now. So anyway, stay warm and try to stay out of the crooked bullshit in your state.